Hello, amazing one. Welcome, and in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to solve this beautiful equation. It's going to be amazing, and don't forget to stay to the end because I'm going to teach you how to check for your solution and also tell us how it helps you in the comments. We always want to serve you best. Let's do this together. So to begin this, we have solution. So what do we do? This is what we are given. Now, let's return what we have. 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. So what we need to do is to take the log of both sides, okay? So in that case, we have log of 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to log of 20. Interesting. Now, what do we do? Remember, we are targeting x. So just remember, for every log of a to the power of x is equal to x log a, okay? This x will always multiply the log. So applying this rule here, the whole of this power is going to multiply the log. So we're having, so let's put it in bracket. We have x minus 1, we multiply log of 5, which is equal to log of 20. Interesting. So keep simplifying this. We are going to have, let's take it to this part. So this gives us, for this, when you have this, you can use this to distribute in that bracket. So we're going to have this log 5 will multiply x, and it will also multiply -1. So we're going to have x log 5, okay? When it multiplies this, it gives us negative of log of 5. Interesting. And that is equal to log of 20. So we keep simplifying. At this point, we need to remove this, okay? Because it's negative, we are going to add. So we are going to have x log 5 is equal to log of 20 plus log of 5. Interesting. So what do you think we should do again? So we are going to have, to get this x, you are free to divide both sides by log of 5. So you also divide this by log of 5 and also do this by log of 5. Interesting. And don't forget to give this tutorial a like, share it so that the algorithm catches it and send it to more people that need these skills. Thank you, and let's continue. So we're going to have this. We keep simplifying. This and this are the same. Just easily cancel it out. So you are left with x is equal to, so we're having log of 20 divided by log of 5 plus this and this are the same. And when a number divides itself, just remember it is 1, okay? So you have to write 1 here. So you keep simplifying. You can't leave it this way. Now, when you look at 20, 20 can be written as, we know too well that 20 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. And that can also be splitted to give us, so we can still write it as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, so this is going to help us in simplifying this numerator. So simplifying more, we have x will give us log of, for this 20 we are going to have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5. Interesting. And that to be divided by log of 5 plus 1. Remember that for every log of a multiplied by b is equal to log of a plus log of b. This is going to guide us, okay, in simplifying this. So simplifying, we're going to have x is equal to log of, obeying what we have stated here, 2 to the power of 2 plus log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus 1. Interesting. So we keep simplifying. This gives us x is log of 2 to the power of 2. So we can use this denominator for each of these numerators. So we have log of 5 plus log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus 1. See, if you keep simplifying this, it gives us x is equal to, now also remember what we said earlier, this power multiplies the log. So we have 2 log 2 divided by log of 5 plus this and this are the same, so when they cancel you have 1. So we have 1 plus 1. Interesting. So we are having x is equal to, what do we have here? These two are not the same, so we are not canceling it out. So we have 2 log 2 divided by log of 5 plus, add this, it gives you 2. Now remember this quickly, that for every log of a divided by log of b, it gives you log of a base b. This is your change of base rule, okay? So applying this here, it gives us x is equal to 2 log of, we have this as 2, and this 5 turns to be the base. Amazing. Then plus 2. So we can write this also to be x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. These two are correct. So you can represent your value of x either in this form or in this. The two of them are correct. Now, having gotten this value of x, we are going to put this value of x at the left side of this equation to see if it gives us 20. It's going to be amazing, and I wouldn't want you to miss this part. So quickly to check, we now have 5 to the power of, our x is this, so let's use this. We have 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2, okay? These are for x, okay? Then we have minus 1. So we have minus 1. Is this going to be equal to 20? Let's see to that. So we simplify this. We have 5 to the power of 2 log 2 base 5. When you subtract this, it gives you 1. Is it still giving us 20? Now, what do we need to do? Just remember this rule, that for every a to the power of m plus n, it is a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. This is your rule of exponents or indices. So applying it here, we have 5 to the power of 2 log 2 base 5. This addition sign, turn it to multiplication and return the base of 5. Then raise to power of 1. Is this still going to give us 20? Let's simplify to half. So this gives us 5. Now this 2 as the coefficient, remember, always turns to be the power of the log. So we're going to have it as log of 2 to the power of 2 base 5, okay, is multiplied by 5. 5 to the power of 1 is 5. Is this still going to give us 20? So we keep simplifying, but at this point, you have to recall this rule. For every a to the power of log of b base a, okay, this base and this base are the same, it is always equal to this b. So this is going to also guide us in this simplification. You observe that this base and this base are the same, so we can easily apply this rule. So from here, we are going to have the whole of this, simplifying it will give us this value, which is 2 to the power of 2. Interesting. And is multiplied by 5. Is this still going to give us 20? So what do you still do? This gives us 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Is this still going to give us 20? Now when you multiply this, you know it is equal to 20, and 20 is equal to 20. So what it means is that the value of x as 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2 is what is correct. And I hope this really helps you a lot. Don't forget to tell us how much. Share this so that the algorithm catches it and send to more people. Thank you for always engaging with us, and I will see you in our next class. Till then, bye bye.